Hey, I'm just out here walking to go pick up some food out here at Carolina Beach. I don't know if you can see or not. Beautiful place, right? Got the stash going today too, so I don't know if y'all like that or not. But anyways, man, it's just a beautiful day out. The sun's out. Spend some time on the beach with the fam and going to get some good food. It's just a good reminder, man, just to kind of see, you know, where life can take you and how hard things can be sometimes with a bounce back if you keep pushing forward. And I just wanted to give somebody a message of like, keep trying, do it again, figure it out, start over. If it ain't working out this time, maybe it'll work out next time. But don't give up. Don't accept failure as a final thing, because failure is just a step in the process. It's not a identity. So if you got the idea of starting the roofing business, the gutter cleaning, pressure washing, whatever it is, the app, just figure it out. Figure out what you got to do. Keep trying. Just extend the horizon on it. Don't rush it if it's not right now. But like, just don't give up. I know people personally who started a business, failed, went got a job, and they're just like dealing with it, and they put on a facade and they're happy and everything is good, but it's not. You can see it all over their face, the way they move, the questions they ask, the little insecurities that pop up, and it's not easy doing this over and over again. Like I've had my ups and downs, whatever. But like, there's pockets of time where I feel like, man, what am I doing? Am I a loser? Like, how did I go and get scammed? How did this business not work out the way that it should have? Why am I not where I need to be at this age, et cetera, et cetera. But get that stuff out of your mind. That's the devil talking. That's doubt in your mind. Just remove it. Keep pushing forward. Find a new way forward. Learn a new skill set. You get better with every single time that something does happen to you. It doesn't really necessarily happen to you, it happens for you. This is a learning lesson. Like, God has instilled something on you. That thing wasn't supposed to work out the way you thought it was supposed to work out, but there was a lesson inside of that. So just keep pushing forward, and it'll work out. It'll work out. And if it doesn't work out, man, at least you can go to your grave knowing that you gave it a damn try. You didn't just give up. You didn't just settle for less. You didn't just do what you were supposed to do. Um, so I don't know. I don't know who that's for. It's a Sunday in March. Push forward. Enjoy the weather, and just give it another shot or get started. Whatever one it is. Don't settle for less. You got one life, and you know, I heard that every man has two lives, and the second one starts when you figure out that you really only have one life. Like, time moves and it's not waiting for anybody, and tomorrow is not promised. I know it's a cliche line, but like, just do it. Just figure it out. Get a game plan together. Don't procrastinate. Just go. Make something happen, and you won't regret it. Like, if you fail, you learn. You pick back up. You keep pushing forward. You'll get there eventually. So, anyways, appreciate you guys.